Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my casual planner for the week of 21st through 27th. I am going to be printing my own sticker, but different one. Do you guys see this? So 21st through 27th of February on that Thursday, it is actually Fat Thursday in Poland. I know in US we celebrate Fat Tuesday, but I am Polish, so I'm embracing this, and I printed some pictures of paczkis and I'm gonna include them in my planner. I hope you guys enjoy this because it is very, very different. So like I said, this is for the week of 21st through the 27th, which is in my casual planner. It is called Beauty in Floral, so it is a very, very neutral planner and I really enjoy it. I pulled out a whole bunch of sticker sheets, sticker books to use from, so I will see what I use. But for right now, the main component is my paczkis, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that right at the bottom of the page, and it's going to be linking the two pages together. And I think this goblet of the Polish donuts is going to go right into the sidebar, like so. I think that's stuck. I've been using permanent paper and that's a mistake, but what can I do? Okay, I'm gonna take this little scrapbook piece out. Okay, let's go for it. So I pulled out a few books. I pulled out a tiny recipe and the two food books. I hope that I can find stuff to match in those. I kind of want to put the sticker down and see how it looks. No. Like the realistic with like that hand drawn doesn't really work, so I'm gonna remove that. Okay, while I do this, I wanted to say thank you. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you are coming back, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for choosing to spend time with me. So I never used the recipe book. I don't know why that book is so gorgeous and awesome, but that's what I'm gonna do today. So change of scenery for me, change of sticker books. I know I have so many, but this one is actually really fun to use. So I pulled out my sticker like notebook thing where I just place random stickers. It's my sticker graveyard, I call it. And I'm just gonna take some stickers out that I think would work great for this spread, and I'm gonna include those. So I have eat cake, life is sweet. I'm not gonna use veggies because this is super fattening day. Okay, I think I want this peach. That can be my work schedule. Okay, and I'm gonna use bullet points. So I'm gonna use red ones, orange and yellow, and I'm gonna stick kind of with that color scheme. So those will be my bullet points. I kind of like doing different things sometimes. It definitely makes me a little out of my comfort zone. Okay, so I pulled out these. Let's see food-wise if I can find anything I really want to use. Not really. I mean, the cake maybe. Bacon is fat, but bacon is breakfast. This is I don't know. Okay. Let's check. Oh, donuts. Yes. Okay, this for sure, because hello. And then I'm gonna pull some donuts in kind of neutralish colors and see if I can get away with that. Okay. Oh, cupcakes. Maybe no. Okay. So let's get cracking. I'm gonna start putting these down. So these will be for my work schedule. I can track my hours of work in there and see how busy I am. There we go. Okay, let me go ahead and peel this up with undo, because I just realized that I don't like how this looks. So this is what I'm gonna do, which this stuff is magic. If you ever worked with undo, you already know that it is like a magical unicorn that just removes stickers without really damaging them, which is amazing. Okay, so there we go. It looks like because this is a permanent paper, it left some adhesive. So I'm gonna try to just cover this up with stickers. So watch me now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this yellow box with lines on it. It could be my long to-do list for the week. Still lots of residue left. So I'm gonna cover it up with a box. Maybe this way. Okay, Mojo Jojo boxes to the rescue, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna keep putting my little tabs for work schedule. I think that works pretty well. And I like the way it looks, which is hopeful, right? So we have Thursday. And then I have Saturday, I have a quick work event. So there we go. Okay, and now I'm gonna play with the page flags. So I'm just gonna place a few of those on each every single day so I can write my to-dos. I don't know how you guys plan, but I am extremely functional. So even though this is super decorated, I need room to write, and I need to make sure that I will feel comfortable with the amount of space I have. Otherwise, it's an issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding all of these little tabs until I feel like I have enough to do little bullet points. I'm gonna go ahead and use this jar as well. I'm gonna take my gel, this is the Uni-Ball Signa pen, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the jar on top. And I was thinking of like using this space, because that space, like I said, has adhesive left on it. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna keep adding all of these little bullet points right after, because I think those two jars are too close together. So let's see if I can remove some of this adhesive. Maybe, who knows. Okay, so that's drying. I'm gonna leave it be just for a second. And then we're gonna add a jar right here and create a cluster. Okay, and of course, that one big quote goes right there. I love this quote. So I'm just adding a little bit more of the white line to make sure that it can be hidden. Okay. Let's keep adding these little page flags because, like I said, those are going to be my main bread and butter for the week. This is where my daily to-do lists and goals will go. So the way I plan is in the morning, I sit down for a couple minutes and I will write down things that I would like to accomplish. So remember, when you're planning, it is not like crucial that you necessarily stick to it. Pick 1 or 2 items that are must do, but if your day goes haywire, at least you had a plan. Remember that when you're planning, this is a visual of your perfect day. If nothing ever goes wrong, that's what you would like for your day to look like. At least that's how I plan, and that's kind of how I stick with it. So I will put all of the projects that I want to complete, but if something breaks or something happens or someone gets sick or there's a car crash or whatever, my day will change, and I can tell you that very easily that my day will change. So now I'm just adding multiple boxes because I also like to write in boxes, you guys. So, and I printed with the donuts this Fat Thursday, and I'm gonna go ahead and quickly trim it and add that to the spread. I think it's going to add quite a bit of orange color, kind of contrast to that huge cluster right there. So Fat Thursday. Okay, so I'm just sticking everything down. Sometimes after undo, it's hard to re-stick things, but I also noticed that my stickers are not sticking as well to the new planners as I did to the older ones. I got one of the newer ones and I'm having trouble with it, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if they changed the formulation of the paper and it's not taking adhesives as well, and it's not just like Happy Planner stickers, it's also like Agenda 52 and other brands as well. So okay, here we go. More boxes. I love adding boxes to my spread, and I love making my spread super full so I can write all the things I need. I'm curious to hear about how you guys plan your days and how different it is from me, whether you do it little by little or if you just sit down and plan a whole week, or do you do it in the morning or at night? I'm super curious to see what other people do. It's always been very interesting to see for me. Okay, so I added a couple more page flags, and it's time for some actual American donuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few just as a decoration. I think they're going to bring quite a bit into the spread. So I'm going to go ahead and white out with a pen a bit of that box and then put a donut on top, like so. I will do kind of the same thing right there. Look how nice that white really does block everything out. Okay, I have one donut left that I want to put, which is right there. Here we go. I think I'm almost done with the spread. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now I need to go ahead and cut this in half, separate the pages, and I'm looking for my punch to go ahead and punch this through. This sticker paper is so sticky though that I'm going to go ahead and put another piece of paper underneath it like so. So then even if it is sticky, this way it can go onto the other paper. And I flip the page a little to make sure that I can go ahead and punch again. Okay, let me go ahead and put it back into my planner. And my Polish Pączki Day is all complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for spending time with me. Have a great week. Bye!